and round, round and round. Ikarabasco, Ikarabasco. La 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 la. Wanuri was a clown and like that. Ikarabasco, chu 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 chu. तुम मुझे घुमाने ले जाओ ठीक है ला 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 लू 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 ला ली ली ला ला ली लू लू ली ला ला ली लू लू ली.
Where are you?
I am here.
Here? What are you doing with animals?
I am playing.
I can see that. You always like to play. Sometime you can learn a little bit. She is playing with animals. Now I can teach her animal name and sound.
We will play also.
Let's bring all animals here. Don't worry, you will enjoy.
Really?
Of course. What is the name of this animal, Anshu?
Elephant.
Good. Would you like to hear a sound of an elephant?
Yes.
Here we go, listen. What is the name of this animal?
Tiger.
Good. Now listen the tiger sound.
Mommy, tiger sound. Head's gone.
Now, what is the name of this animal? And I like this animal the most.
I love doggy. Hoo hoo.
Now listen the actual sound of dog.
I know doggy. Hoo hoo.
Hello, it is not an actual sound of dog. Now listen. What is the name of this animal?
Horse.
Good. Now listen the sound of horse.
Oof in jumping.
Oh no, it's jumping.
Ha ha.
Oh, it's very cute cat.
Cute cat. It's cute cat.
Okay. Now, what is the name of this?
Camel.
Good.
I don't know the sound.
Now listen the sound of camel. Now, what is the name of this animal?
Looks like horse. It's jet for zebra.
Yes, the zebra sound is similar to horse. Now, listen. Which one you like now?
This is crocodile.
No, my dear. It's a hippo.
Oh, sorry. This is hip. He likes swimming.
And what about the sound?
I don't know.
So, listen now. Now, the last and longest animal. What is the name of this animal?
Oh, this is giraffe. Voice and don't know.
Now listen the voice of giraffe.
Oh sister, you forget. Lion King.
You already know the name of this animal. Now time to listen the voice of Lion King. Friends, let's recap. Hope you learn animal names and sound. In next video, we will learn more animal names. And shortly, our next video coming, an excited jungle story. Hope you will like that story.
Bye